hair in his toes when she was in there to clean.
Now, are those nurse sharks or are they?
They're cat sharks.
Cat sharks, yeah.
Okay, buddy, go get some. There you go.
Yeah. That blackfish with his teeth are probably, I mean, like needles.
He would definitely, if any of us would definitely do this.
So you have to make sure he's over on the other side if you're going to stick your hands in the tank.
Yeah.
Like that. Look at that.
Aww.
How cool.
They're like cats.
Get that food. There you go.
Well, actually, I think we might have one for sale. We have two shark eggs. We have two shark eggs.
Okay.
And then oh really? I can find we have one little cat shark.
You ever have sharks mate?
We have not.
Woo! Oh, that was a good one. That shark coming right at the camera.
And some more.
Boy, he's got a full belly.
You need a before and after shot.
I know, right?
I didn't notice the stripes before on the other ones.
Yeah, I noticed him. That's cool.
I can't believe somebody had that and didn't come get him again. Maybe getting a bigger tank fell through.
And he suddenly looks pregnant. Well, this is where they know the food is. All done, guys.
Yeah.
What's that? Yeah.
That was wild.